guys, so I just got these super cute sunflower solar lights, so let me show you how they look. So this is how they come. They come in a 4-pack, so it comes with 4 sunflowers. And then for the installation, it's really easy. There's 2 different methods. You can either do the ground installation or the wall mounted. So I'll be using the ground one. So in here you can see you just put the stuff together and it's gonna be ready to install it on your ground. And then here I'm showing you, like, if you want to do the drills, it comes with the drills and everything that you need in order to put it on your wall. So in here you can see like a picture of the 2 different methods. But yeah, like, this is super cute. I love them. The quality is great. The lights are super cute. Like, in here you can see them. So let me show you how they look once I put them on my garden. So yeah, once you put them on, like I said, it's solar, so they're gonna be charging automatically. So let me show you how they look once it's the night. So yeah, this is how they look. I love it. I love the little, like, at the bottom part, like the mosaic. So yeah, like, this is perfect. If you were looking for some pretty lights, these are definitely perfect. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but I love them. They look super cute.